Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is a very sad day for me because today my cat died. But this is not clickbait or anything. Seriously, my cat died. Ah, dang it. Okay. Frankie? Frankie. This is my dog, Frankie. If you don't know. But she's buried right over there where my sister's sitting and my dad. I'm gonna go walk over there. Hey guys! Hold on. Nothing. Dang. The lighting is a little... At first when you said in the car, I thought you were joking.
What?
Like whenever you said JoJo died, I was like, joking?
No, she died. I don't know why, but that's all I can figure. Either that or just God needed her there. He might have, he might have just said, hey, it's your time, it's your turn, get ready to go. Sorry you don't have a chance to say goodbye to your family, but it's time to go, JoJo. That's just the way it works sometimes. That's the skinny of it, man. Shoot, man, you don't get to decide when you die. You don't. That's what happens. Right? You taking a video?
Yep.
It sucks. I hate when animals die. I hate when anything dies.
Especially when they're related to you.
Yeah. When they're close to you. When you see them every day.
Yeah. No. I just wanted to make a video of this because, like, it's really sad. I swear this is not clickbait. But seriously, do you think a guy like me would clickbait? Comment down below. Do you think a guy like me would clickbait? I hope you don't die, Frankie. That'd be sad. As you know, I literally am only 9 years old, so that. Actually, I started this channel when I was 8. Did I? I don't remember. But, yeah. Remember, guys, stay awesome, stay strong, stay more awesome than a possum. You heard that? Stay strong instead of... I don't remember what it was, but... Oh yeah, awesome sauce. But if you heard that, that was like a little Easter egg at the end. Even though that's not really the time for that, but... Yeah. I can't believe I didn't make an Easter egg. I should do that. Anyway,